Hey guys, big welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at 5 cryptos that I'm actively buying during August, and hopefully we can see some big juicy results from these coins. August is a notorious month for being a little bit boring in the world of crypto. Bitcoin is chilling at 29.3k, Ethereum at 1.8k. Ladies and gents, if you're new here, get yourself into the Jacob Crypobury Discord down below, where we recently just looked at the Bitcoin 20 pre-sale, which did a 6x, by the way, so fantastic results. Very happy for the people that got involved in that token, and let's crack on with the video. So the first coin, in my opinion, is going to be HBAR Hedera. Just seeing a continuation here, really bullish price momentum, things looking great for this ecosystem, trading at $0.07 with a market capital of 2.3 billion. I do personally believe that this coin could reach 30 to 40, maybe even 50x by the next crypto bull run. Now, of course, that is subjective. This is not financial advice, and this is just what I believe could happen. But HBAR Hedera really is looking good from a market dominance point of view, which is the overall share that this coin has of the total global crypto market capital of whatever trillion it is at any given time. And I do think we will see this market dominance go up to 0.27% at some point in the near future. And I am seeing this market capital dominance, or the market dominance of HBAR Hedera, always moving up. It's always in line and correlating and moving up with the rest of the overall market valuation. So I do see this coin, you know, if it maintains even 0.21% of the overall market dominance, if we see the overall crypto, let's say market capital go from 1.2 trillion, or what is it right now, 1.2 trillion to, let's say, 10x's to 12 trillion in the future, then if the market capital or dominance of HBAR Hedera stays the same, it means it will also do an inevitable 10x. So that's why I'm so bullish on HBAR Hedera. Not only the ecosystem itself, but everything just looks really cool. So let's get to coin number 2, Sonic the Hedgehog. Yes, that's it, guys. Didn't want to get a copyright claim, so I thought I'd just sing it myself. So we can see already they raised $11,519. This is a new pre-sale looking to raise 2.1 million. Of course, Japanese effects, visual art. This coin has a lot of viral potential. I have actually aped in, bought $1,000 worth, and I have started staking already, nice and early. I've got 77.77% of the staking pool of the 90 million tokens currently staked, and I'm earning rewards. Look at this number go up. The total rewards on the right is just going up as I get more rewards over and over and over. I'm getting 9.125k every simulated block, so you can see it's going up 9.125k every single block. I'm getting more and more tokens. I'll wake up tomorrow, I'll probably have like a couple million Sonic tokens, which would be really cool. So fingers crossed this can also do well in speculation. Of course, Bitcoin 20 did well. This is a similar staking model, but Sonic coin is all about just being stupid, being fun, trying to create a community and really get a viral effect. So check out the Sonic coin down below. Just to go through this, there is a pre-sale roadmap, the stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, but I think this coin will sell out in 2 weeks. Therefore, it's a coin that you could potentially look at for August. 299 billion total supply of the tokens, which is the speed of light, just like Sonic the Hedgehog. So 50% pre-sale, 40% in the staking, 10% in liquidity. Fingers crossed we will see a coin like this one do something great once it gets launched on DEX. There may be potential space for centralized exchanges as well, but I did decide to actually stake this one and take another little dip into the DeFi world because it's exciting. It does excite me. I really do enjoy staking. I enjoy these kind of protocols, and I think that we could potentially see something could happen here. So far still got really good APY. As you can see, if you're getting early to these things, buy and stake your tokens early, you do get massive potential rewards, but it doesn't mean that it will guarantee profits, because you can't actually unstake your tokens until 7 days after the claiming date. So there is always risk attached, guys, and I'm someone that likes to take a risk, and I've chosen to do so with this particular pre-sale. Moving on, we have Bitcoin. Now, like I say, I don't care what the price of Bitcoin is. This is the OG. Bitcoin will be the one thing that potentially survives forever. You know, Bitcoin is the liquid commodity that keeps on pumping, and it makes people, you know, always question, shall I buy some Bitcoin today? We're always thinking about buying Bitcoin, unlike fiat currencies that ever inflate and lose valuation over time. So 29.3K for Bitcoin, $570 billion market capital. I do think there's a lot of space for a bigger Bitcoin in the future. Countdown, 203 days to go until we see Bitcoin halving commence around March 2024. It looks like it's fast forwarded now. March, April is when we think that this could potentially happen. So keep your eyes peeled. Bitcoin, in my opinion, is undervalued. And I think by the next crypto bull run, we could easily be seeing a $150,000 to $200,000 Bitcoin. I think we hit the bottom at 15K already. I think that was the bottom, but there is still some space to potentially correct down to that level. The last 7 days has been boring, but like I said, August is a boring month, and fingers crossed we will see some more fun things happen soon for the overall crypto space. Coin number 4 will be another pre-sale ICO. High risk, high reward, guys. Wall Street memes, 24 million raised, and they're looking to raise 30 million, so just 6 million to go. About 6 weeks remaining until this one does sell out. Wall Street memes, Elon Musk engaged with this. There's going to be some big upgrades along the way quite soon as well. They do have a white paper, they have a roadmap. They aren't KYC'd or docs, which does mean it is a bit risky, but they've got some pretty funny memes, and the fact that Elon Musk did reply to tweets multiple times is pretty bullish, and I think gets a lot of fresh eyes on the project. So this community was pre-existing and was bought out by a bunch of guys that wanted to make a really fun, enticing meme coin with a potential for virality, and they do have a long-term roadmap as well, with a tier 1 centralized exchange listing in the pipeline, which will help boost liquidity, accessibility, and of course global purchases. Tokenomics, 50% marketing, 30% community rewards, 10% sex liquidity, 10% dex liquidity, and yeah, loads of influencers have covered this, like Joe Paris. You know, Joe Paris, one of the biggest guys out there, with 380,000 subscribers. So it's really cool to see some of the big players out there in the markets also recognizing Wall Street memes. I do have a link down below for you to check out this in your spare time. They do have a $50,000 airdrop as well, but like I said, guys, do not risk more than you can afford to lose. It's just a simple rule, a simple principle you have to follow, otherwise you can really screw yourself hard and shoot yourself in the foot. The last coin will be BNB. Why do I think this is good? I think BNB is potentially very undervalued right now, and every time it gets to around the $200 mark, we see a massive influx of buys. I think when we have the new bull run and loads of dApps are getting built once again, we could see BNB potentially surge to $1,000 or more. The market capital is 36.7 billion, so 10x space. It could potentially do so. We saw 100 billion market capital already for this particular coin, so I do think there is space for some big things to happen with the BNB coin, and with Binance and, you know, CZ being such an OG, I just really trust this coin, and I think we're going to see a lot of good things happen for it in the future. Hard to say exactly where it could go, but I've just based this price prediction on Fibonacci's. The 2.618 actually gives us a Fibonacci rating of $1,500. So there it is, folks. If you're new to the channel, please get yourself into the Discord down below. Consider becoming a patron. Hang out with us. We're looking at loads of cool stuff. And fingers crossed, yeah, like I say, the overall next quarter should look nice for cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching. Check out the Sonic coin down below. Have a look at Wall Street memes if you wish as well. And remember, guys, subscribe, like, comment, let the algorithm know that we are here. And fingers crossed, I say fingers crossed, good things will be coming. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Stay blessed. Bye for now.